Yellowstone National Park is the oldest, one of the largest, and perhaps the most famous national park in the United States. Located primarily in northwestern Wyoming and parts of southern Montana and eastern Idaho, the park encompasses the world's largest concentration of hydrothermal features. The park was established by the U.S. Congress on the 1st of March, 1872, as the nation's first national park. It is also generally considered the world's first national park, although some naturalists and others argue that evidence suggests Yellowstone predates the establishment of Mount Bogd National Park in Mongolia, possibly as early as 1778. Yellowstone was designated a UNESCO Biosphere Reserve in 1976 and a World Heritage Site in 1978. The park, rectangular in shape with an irregular eastern edge, measures 101 kilometers, 62 miles from north to south, and 87 kilometers, 57 miles, from east to west at its widest point, and covers an area of 8,992 square kilometers, 3,992 sq mi. John D. Rockefeller Jr. Memorial Parkway, an 80-mile, 130-kilometer scenic highway established in 1972, connects Yellowstone with Grand Teton National Park to the south. Yellowstone is also surrounded by the Gallatin National Forest, northwest and north, Custer northeast, Shoshone northeast and east, Bridger Teton southeast and south, and Caribou Targhee southwest. Its headquarters are at Mammoth Hot Springs, near the park's northern entrance. Yellowstone is located in a region that has been volcanically and seismically active for tens of millions of years. The tectonic movement of the North American plate has thinned the Earth's crust in the region, forming a hotspot where a magma dome, or molten rock, approaches the surface. About 2.1 million years ago, a subsurface magma dome formed in the Yellowstone region erupted in one of the world's most violent volcanic eruptions. About 600 cubic miles, 2,500 cubic kilometers of rock and ash were ejected, equivalent to about 6,000 times the amount of volcanic material released during the 1980 eruption of Mount St. Helens. Observations made in the early 21st century showed that this single eruption actually consisted of two events about 6,000 years apart, one very large and a second much smaller. Subsequent major eruptions occurred approximately 1,300,000 and 640,000 years ago. The latter, which consisted mostly of lava flows, produced about 2/5 the material of the first eruption. From summer to late winter, Yellowstone National Park is one of the most visited tourist destinations in the United States, despite its remote location in the remote northwest corner of Wyoming. Whatever the season, this world-famous park offers a myriad of captivating sights and sounds. Whether you're here to see Old Faithful, a boiling geyser that spews air from the heart of the earth, herds of buffalo roaming in their natural habitat, trails leading into deadly mountains, or anything else you can imagine to do outdoors, this park probably has it. By visiting Yellowstone, you'll also clearly see why it's earned all its accolades. Today, we'll discuss what makes its geography so special, its history, and provide some tips to help you prepare for the national park trip of a lifetime. Yellowstone National Park was established on the 1st of March, 1872, as the first national park administered in the United States. Furthermore, it is widely considered the first of its kind in the world, a major innovation in modern nature conservation. The idea arose amidst growing interest in the landscape of the American West, and early expeditions, including the Washburn, Langford, Doane expedition of 1,870, documented the region's remarkable geothermal features, ultimately inspiring widespread public support for its preservation. Unfortunately, the park's development also resulted in the displacement of indigenous tribes, including the Tukudika, Crow, and Shoshone, who had lived and hunted in the area for thousands of years before federal protection was granted.